Welcome to the vibrant landscape of northern Spain, where history and nature dance a mesmerizing waltz. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey, tracing the final 100 kilometers of the Camino Frances, starting from Sarria and culminating in Santiago de Compostela. Our journey begins in Sarria, a town that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Galicia. Sarria is more than just a starting point, it's a treasure trove of history and culture. Notice the rustic charm of its narrow streets, the medieval architecture whispering tales of the past, and the warm, inviting glow of local taverns. As we ascend from Sarria, the drone glides over the lush, rolling hills of Galicia. The countryside, a patchwork quilt of emerald green fields, dense woodlands, and sparkling streams, is a sight to behold. Nestled within this verdant expanse is the village of Barbadelo, home to the Romanesque church of Santiago, a testament to the enduring legacy of the Camino. Continuing on, we encounter the captivating town of Portomarin. This town is a phoenix risen from the ashes, literally. In the 60s, the original town was submerged under a reservoir, and the residents painstakingly moved their most cherished buildings, stone by stone, to higher ground. Today, the San Juan Church stands as a symbol of their resilience. Next, we venture into Palas de Rey, a town with a name that means Palace of the King in Galician. The town, with its quaint stone houses and the church of San Tirso, exudes an undeniable regal charm. Our journey then takes us through the tranquil town of Melide, renowned for its octopus delicacy, pulpo a la gallega. The town is a gastronomic delight, with the aroma of traditional Galician cuisine wafting through the air. We then traverse the beautiful woodland trails of Puente and Castañeda, where the crunch of leaves underfoot and the gentle rustling of trees create a symphony of nature. These trails lead us to the small picturesque village of Ribadisó, a haven of peace and tranquility. As we approach our final destination, the drone soars over Monte de Gozo, the Hill of Joy. This hill, with its breathtaking panoramic views, is where pilgrims first catch sight of the spires of Santiago de Compostela. It's a moment of jubilation, a moment of profound relief. And finally, we arrive in Santiago de Compostela, the crown jewel of the Camino. The city, bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun, is a sight to behold. At its heart stands the majestic Santiago de Compostela Cathedral, a stunning masterpiece of Romanesque, Gothic and Baroque styles. The cathedral, with its intricate facades and towering spires, is a fitting end to our journey, a beacon of faith and endurance. This journey from Sarria to Santiago de Compostela is more than just a scenic tour. It's a journey of discovery, of personal growth, and of spiritual renewal. It's a testament to the enduring allure of the Camino, a path that has guided countless souls for centuries. And as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, we bid adieu, leaving behind footprints on the path and taking with us memories etched in the heart of Spain.